An exciting innovation in home life safety, our HomeLink environmental sensors, the EI1020 and EI1025, have been designed to create better maintained, healthier and energy efficient homes, helping with the Homes Act compliance and achieving net zero in an efficient and data-driven way. Subtle, secure and easy to install, our environmental sensors are placed throughout the home, measuring temperature, humidity and carbon dioxide, providing actionable insights into conditions such as mould risk, heat loss, ventilation, excess cold and heat, as well as indoor air quality. Designed with social landlords, our environmental sensors connect to the EI1000G SmartLink gateway and extract data to our innovative portal, providing information landlords will value most to optimize investment, identify and tackle fuel poverty, enable preventative maintenance strategies, and deliver unrivaled service to residents to create healthier homes. To find out more about our environmental sensors, visit www.aico.co.uk/homelink.